Ever wondered how to grow your plants from scratch and witness the miracle of life in your very own garden? Seed starting is an essential gardening skill, accessible to all and deeply satisfying as you nurture life from a tiny seed. Stay tuned to master the art of seed starting and grow strong, healthy plants. First things first, choosing the right seeds is crucial. It's all about quality and understanding the plant's growing conditions and requirements. You want to source your seeds from a reliable place, ensuring they'll grow strong and healthy. Remember, good seeds lead to good plants. Once you've got your seeds, the next step is preparing the soil. This process is crucial as it involves using well-draining soil, enriched with organic matter for fertility. Consider a seed starting mix as an alternative. A well-prepared soil will provide a solid foundation for your seeds to germinate and grow. Now comes the exciting part, planting the seeds. Imagine tucking them gently into the soil, about a thumb's depth, leaving a space of 2 fingers between each one. Remember, consistent watering after planting is crucial. With the right care, you'll soon see your seeds begin to sprout. Once your seeds have sprouted, they'll need some tender, loving care. Tending to their needs, you'll ensure they're well watered, bathed in adequate light, and transplanted at the right time. Proper care will ensure your seedlings grow into strong, healthy plants. So now you know the simple steps to start your seeds and grow your plants from scratch. Choosing the right seeds, preparing the soil, planting and caring for your seedlings are all crucial to growing strong, healthy plants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.